They say every December, someone special arrives in our homes. Tiny, sneaky, and very, very curious. It's the elf on the shelf, Santa's little helper. He watches, he listens, and they say he remembers everything. But last night, I could have sworn something moved by the fireplace. And then, bam! He climbed the Christmas tree, threw ornaments everywhere, and built himself a cozy little nest right by the fire. Well, looks like even the elf knows where the warmest spot in the house is. If you're dreaming of your own magical Christmas setup, Home Fire's Jersey creates fireplaces that even elves can't resist. Visit our showroom and discover your perfect fire.